everyone, I'm back. I have another haul for you guys. This weekend is just gonna be a bunch of haul videos because I'm kind of behind on my hauls, and like I said, there's a few things that have come in the mail, some new dies and embellishments, and so anyway, but let me go ahead and share a Dollar Tree haul for today. I was able to go to Dollar Tree. I got my nails done, as you guys can see. Finally. Oh my gosh, my nails had been like horrible for like the whole month of September, or not even September, August. I think it was horrible. But I finally was able to make it to my appointment because I had been like making appointments and canceling it because I just can never get there. Anyway, next door to my nail lady, there was a Dollar Tree. So I decided to go in. So first of all, I got some essentials. I wanted to just get some pens because I'm always losing my pens or running out of ink at work. And I wanted a retractable pen. I'm not that particular about my pens. Usually the pens that I use at work is my husband's pens. He orders them. He's very particular because he does do a lot of writing. So he gets them from Amazon. But I figured, you know, I always lose my pens, so some cheapy pens are fine as long as I can write with them. So I went and got that. They have, I have to say, they have this new section at my Dollar Tree. Well, I think it's all Dollar Tree. They have like this crafty section now where they have paint and paintbrushes and really cool. So anyway, I found some Crafter Square. They call them pop dot tape, but they're actually dimensional, as you can see. They are foam tape. So I wanted to give it a try. You get 2 yards each. So that's pretty good. And they come in different sizes. That's what I liked about it. So I thought, okay, let me give this a try, see if it sticks well, because I do have some foam tape already. But you know, if I can get it at Dollar Tree, I mean, that is much better, right? It's cheap. So I just got one for now, just to try it out. Okay, and in that same crafty section, I think this is like a new brand for them, Crafter Square. They had these glass pearls, and I thought they were really cute. And just the fact that they come in different sizes and different shade. This one's more of an antique cream, and then this is white. So I went ahead and grabbed both of them because you're always, you know, in need of pearls for your projects, right? I also found this piercing and scoring tool set. So I thought, for $1, I want to give that a try. And it even comes with, you know, a little cap where the, you know, a little piercing tool. And I always need piercing tools anyway because they get lost in my craft room. And plus, sometimes I mess up the tip. And I always need them to, like, when I'm using my dies and I have to, like, pop out the little pieces. So I went ahead and got that. I also found these. Now, this is a different brand. It's Forever in Time. And they're metallic markers. And it came in gold. And other colors like dark, like really dark pink and dark blue. I didn't care for those. I just got these gold ones. And I went ahead and just grabbed them because I want to see how they work. So, you know, with the holidays coming up, it's always good to have like metallic pens, you know, when you have to do your Christmas cards, things like that. And from that same section, again, they have this glue and residue eraser. So I thought, I'm going to try that. So like I said, it's like a new little crafty section. And then they had some jewels. So I went ahead and got these because I absolutely love, you know, pink hearts. They had these containers and they came in 2 different sizes. They came in this set, which is 0.6 full ounce. And then they had the mini ones. Now I should have grabbed some too, because now I'm thinking those are great for like when you do those embellishment boxes, you can stick little, you know, you can stick sequins in there. These will do too. I think these will fit also. They're glass. So anyway, and I thought I would use these also for those new micro beads or caviar beads that I got from Alina Craft. I think that's going to come in handy. I got this organizer box here because I'm always trying to organize things, and I just thought I'd give it a try, see what I can put in here. Jump rings, things like that I need to organize. So I got that. And then I went ahead and got some more of these. These are from the hardware section. I love getting these as well. So whenever I go, I usually grab one or two. I also got this craft storage box. They came in different colors, but I like the white. And this was the only one left. So since I have a lot of charms right now that I need to organize, I thought I'd go ahead and organize them. And then I always get this from my Dollar Tree if I can find them, because sometimes they're not there. This is the Jot organizer case. You guys know this one. I grabbed a few of these too. I love them because they stack. I'm running out of my fasteners, and these are the Velcro circles. I use these a lot, especially like when I organize my dies. I will go ahead and use these to close up the like my Avery Elle bags. They're not Avery Elle, it's the checkout bags that I get from Amazon. But anyway, they're just great. They work well. And then I just went ahead and got another set of brush, because I'm always, you know, messing up my brush, especially when I'm using glue. So for $1, hey, why not? It looked like a pretty good brush set. Okay, let me clear this, and then I'm going to show you some other things that I got at the Dollar Tree. Okay, now for the super fun finds. I did pick up these adhesive diamond wrap. I did pick some up. I think I picked up the leaves and some Halloween ones, but I don't think I picked this up. I think they're so cute, the little acorns. So I went ahead and picked that up. I did pick up, I found some confetti, some sequins. And I know I have a bunch, but I've been doing shakers lately, and so I thought I'd go ahead and just stock up since, you know, they're $1. So I did get those 3. I think these were the only 3 different ones. So you have the red spiders, the web, and then the jack-o'-lantern. This one has are they, oh, witch. I think it's a witch on a broom. Oh my goodness, I don't know what it is. Let's see. No, these are cats. This says Boo, and I think this is the witch on a broom. And then this one is ghosts, bats, and then the tombstones. So got those. And then you guys, now I don't know if you guys remember last year when I decorated my tree, I was going for a rustic look. And my husband really liked it, and I got most of my ornaments. I think it was from Michael's. They had like a sale, and I just grabbed some. And but anyway, I saw some at Dollar Tree, and I thought, well, you know, even better, right? Because the price is even better. So look how cute. I got this top hat. So I think I got 2 of each. I got this buffalo check. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. This star. Got 2 of those. I got this deer. Of course, you have to have a deer with your, you know, your decor. Actually, I think I got 3 of them. I kind of stocked up, you guys, since they were only $1, and I thought that was a great deal. Then I don't have to get any at Michael's. And here's the wooden ones. So these are pretty good quality. And this one says Merry Christmas, and it is Santa on a sleigh. Santa's head on a sleigh. Got a couple of those. I got this one right here. Again, it's wood. I think it's wood. Or like MDF. Is that what that's called? You know, the really thick, like cardboard, like chipboard. And I just don't like the glue part there, but I think I can, you know, put something there. Poinsettia, maybe. Anyway, I love this Jingly Bell. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Oh my gosh, I kind of went crazy because they just had so much. There's Believe. So I got that. There's another one of those. Oh, here's the other star. But they had this kind of star as well with the jingle bells on the bottom. So I had to get these. So pretty. Again, they had, oh, this one is Believe. I think they had 2 words. One said Believe, one said Peace. And I don't think I got the Peace one. Here's another hat. And then they also had the sleigh, but this time instead of Santa's face, it's with a snowman. And I thought that was cute. Oh no, look! The little part is missing, or it fell off. Okay, no worries. No worries, I'm not gonna go back. But I can just stick something on there. Anyway, I did get these because I realized last time I didn't pick these up. And I do like the jack-o'-lantern with little curly vine on top, like the little, you guys know what I'm talking about, the little stub on the top. So I got some more of these, and then the big witch hat, which I don't think I got last time. So that is it. That is my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks so much for watching.